Hi everyone. Today I'm sharing with you a few tips and tricks on how you can use collaborating a bit more efficiently and a bit more effectively. First of all, no one likes to waste time, even if it's just seconds. So instead of always having to hover to the right to create a new snippet, you can simply highlight a piece of text, click enter, and there you go. You've just created your first snippet. The second tip refers to how you can organize your research through topics. Each collaborating topic can contain snippets from various pages, not just one. So we can go directly to a new page, find a topic that we want to add our snippets to, create a highlight, and just click enter just as we did before. During research, many ideas and thoughts can also pop into our head. By leaving comments, we can organize them and never wonder why exactly we found a piece of information so important to begin with. Our fourth tip solves something that can be a really big annoyance, and that's having our sidebar cover some text or a really important part of the web page. To solve this, you can go to Settings, click here, and just toggle between views as many times as you like. Finally, what's the use of great research if we can't share it with anyone? To share what you found, go back to the snippets, click on Share and Sync, and here you go. You can get your collaborating link that you can share with absolutely anyone, even people that don't use collaborating right now. They'll be able to see your comments, snippets, as well as links to the resources that you found. Good luck with your searches!